Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin. We're at Boyce College because Lexi is doing a Boyce tour, and so we're in this beautiful room here, which we are showing you. Really cool high ceilings, neat architecture in here. They have a cool Boyce logo down there with the setup. That was when we walked in and we welcomed everybody. We're gonna get a chance to see James today, and I'm gonna ask him a few questions about school, and then we're gonna do a little bit of a tour of the campus. But a reminder, today and today only, today's the last day, 30% off on the hookedonpickin.com website. So definitely run over there. Remember, we're making the move, so we don't want a lot of inventory to move, and so you're gonna help us out by buying with that 30% off discount. Let's go ahead, talk to James, go on the tour, and some other fun things.
All right, I'm doing my best to respect people's privacy. We're at Boyce College. It is a Southern Baptist college that's connected to Southern Seminary, where the people are training for future ministry. So we've been in this room here just a second ago called Heritage Hall, and where we eat and all that fun stuff there. Really beautiful campus. Look at those two people. So, do you guys remember James? He's bearded now.
Bearded James.
Very good.
He is representing, though, wearing the Hooked on Pickin shirt actually today.
Trying to.
All right, so we're going to kind of do an update because people don't see you anymore. You've been at college forever.
That's true.
It feels like.
That's true.
So what are you studying right now?
Expository preaching and pastoral leadership. That's my program. So in short term, pastor, pretty much.
You're going to be a preacher too?
No, I'm trying, Lord willing.
Very good.
Good. It's been good. It's been good. Classes have been great. This is kind of my history heavy class load. So a lot of like church history, theology, ancient Near East history, that kind of stuff.
Very
really
good.
Fun.
Very good.
Do you have a favorite class that you take right now?
Favorite class? Probably New Testament survey. I love New Testament survey. Any survey where you're just getting in the Bible is really fun.
Yep.
Every class you get in the Bible, but this one is just devoted to the Gospels, so it's great.
So Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, basically?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Very good. Very good.
And then what's your most difficult class right now?
Well, Greek, for certain. It's like learning a language is difficult or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so James has been here almost 2 years.
Yeah.
Almost two full years.
Yep.
You're kind of running into the end of your sophomore year.
Mm-hmm.
Lexi is on the tour. You won't get to see Lexi much on this
Yeah.
video because they're all off doing something else. They make the parents say, no, you have to stay over here. So.
Well, I think she actually met up with another Boyce student that is hosting her. So she went into Louisville to do some fun things, and then I think they're coming back, and she's actually going to spend the night in the dorms tonight.
They're going to eat at a donut place. Is there like a special donut place?
Jeff's would be the only one I know of.
Jeff's Donuts?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Is it a guy named Jeff that makes the donuts?
I have no idea, but it's good donuts.
Okay. Very good.
I think also Riley is here as well.
Riley. You
Yeah.
guys know Riley from the videos.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
So beautiful campus. Really good school.
We're going to give you a little bit of a tour of the campus, but it's super windy, so we'll
Yep.
probably show you the campus.
Now,
and then I'll talk
what is
about
more
it.
difficult for you, dropping James off his freshman year or dropping Lexi off her freshman year? What do you think?
I think Lexi will be harder. I think because she's a girl. James was just ready to go, and you graduated early, so like we got a lot of time with you from like December all the way to August, where we spent literally every day together because you worked full time to raise the funds to be able to afford school. So we got a lot of we got to drop a lot of nuggets of wisdom before you left. But with Lexi, she's in sports, so we literally don't see her at all, except for when she comes home to sleep at night, I feel like, because she goes to school, goes to sports, come home, does homework, and then goes to bed. So I think it'll be harder with her just because we don't see her as much.
That's true. I think it will be.
She's going to love it, though.
Oh, I think Faith's going to, being the only kid at home, that's going to be hurting.
Yeah. You got to have lunch with Lexi today, right?
I did. It was really good. Really good. Great conversations. Really fun.
So he popped in during their lunchtime.
Yeah.
So
her and then one of my professors, Dr. Thacker, was there. Great dude. Great guy.
What does he teach?
He is an ethicist here. So he'll teach ethics and then political philosophy.
Okay.
That's his kind of main wheelhouse.
Which is right up Lexi's alley because she wants to go into politics. So I think he'll probably be one of her main professors.
Yep.
He was really talking her up on it.
Good.
And great guy. Loves to use like original sources. So if you're talking about Aristotle, you're using his writings.
Cool.
You're not using commentaries, you're using his writings. It's kind of
Very good. So James, what is this place down here?
This is the calf.
This is the cat. The cat. You guys call it the calf,
That's where we eat food.
which is the dining hall.
So this is the iconic view right here of what we call the J Bowl. I can't remember exactly why it's called the J Bowl, but that's a library over there. We're kind of like seeing the view of the courtyard area back and forth there. So there's the huge library, and then they have a writing center in there. There's some classroom buildings way back there, with the kind of the main central look there with those two fun trees there. Dining hall is going to be off to the left, and then some more classroom buildings, administrative buildings. Then we walk up onto the chapel. Beautiful chapel. Tallest spot on the campus is the spire of the chapel, and just a really great place to worship God. Another reminder, 30% off on hookedonpickin.com. So that's just a little bit of Boyce campus. Are you enjoying it?
Oh, I'm loving it here.
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah. Is Lexi going to love it here?
Oh, she will love it here.
Yes. Yeah. Is Riley going to love it here?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. And I know you kind of sort of see Rylan sometimes.
Oh, yeah, she's from what I can tell, she's doing great.
Yeah, she's always in a group of friends. What do you think Lexi and Riley's favorite thing is going to be when they come?
Goodness, there's a lot. Probably just the community.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what I love here too.
The social aspect.
Just how well the halls mix well together and just have a great time.
Well, we don't want to keep James too much because he actually has an event to run.
I do.
Since you're on Student Activities Council, and so that'll be really fun. And so we'll probably be able to update you on how well that event went when we're back live again. But we wanted to give you guys a little bit of a tour, let you know where we're at, what we're doing, and of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.